school custom rides. Raj here. She's never ready. Still looks gorgeous. Either way, we're gonna go to a car show. Hopefully, babe doesn't jinx it again like we did the last time. Like she did the last time. There was only one car at that car show. So hopefully this time there'll be some more than one. Yeah, more than one car show. More than one car show?
Yeah.
No,
More cars at the show.
yeah. See? That's why I have her here, so she can correct me in my wording, because sometimes I mess up. So we're going to go out there and we'll see. There's more than one car. Supposedly this event's going to be like a Toy for Tots. I think the Marines are hosting it. So we'll go see what it looks like. So we'll see you out there in a bit. Say bye, babe. Yeah, peace out. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we're here at the car show. So we're gonna go check it out.
Traders Village.
Yeah, Traders Village. So we're gonna go see what these cars look like. You ready, babe?
Ready. Y'all ready? Let's go.
All right, let's go. guys, so we went and saw that small car show. It was, you know what, there was a lot of cars, but the cars we were looking for weren't that many of those old school hot rods.
I know I said 2, but I think there was probably like 5.
Old school hot rods.
Let's go.
The rest, they were more like those Euro type of cars. Like, no offense to those people's type of cars they like.
Their preference.
Yeah, but that's not what this channel's about.
Yeah.
This channel's about old school hot rods. So.
But hey, at least look what I got.
Yeah, she got her pineapple drink. Yeah, I went and bought me also, cause this thing, the event they had it at was at a flea market, right? Mm-hmm. And I got me 2 antique license plates, so it came out okay. It was okay.
Yeah, it was good.
We had a good time.
We walked around for
a while. Yeah, because since we ate this morning, you know, kind of burned some of them calories. Then food calories, I guess. Fat calories.
Oh, and then I got a shirt. I got a new Grinch shirt.
Yeah, she's a Grinch.
Grinchaholic.
Yeah. So either way, guys, like I said, I'll be editing this video, and I hope you like some of the
content.
Yeah, hot rods that we had there.
Not as many as we would have liked.
Yeah, because since the event, what they said it was gonna be classic cars and all that, they never mentioned anything about no Euro cars or these. They're kind of like those Fast and Furious cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's another. That's
channel.
That's another channel. That's not on this channel. So either way, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and share, subscribe. Don't forget the bell for more notifications. So you got to see more of the babe in this video.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Take care.
God bless.
Yeah. God bless. See you soon.